By 2030, the first billion-dollar company run by a single person will exist. For decades, the 9-to-5 was the only path to scale. You needed a building, the HR department, and hundreds of employees just to make a dent. But that era is officially over. We are entering the age of the one-person empire, a world where AI doesn't just help you work, it replaces your entire staff. Today, I'm going to show you how individuals are outproducing massive corporations and how you can use this shift to exit the rat race forever. Welcome to the future of work. The 9-to-5 wasn't designed for creativity, it was designed for factories. But in the age of intelligence, hours worked is a dead metric. In the USA alone, the solopreneur movement has grown by 50% in the last decade. Why? Because the cost of starting a business has dropped to nearly zero. You no longer need to hire a graphic designer, a copywriter, or a customer service team. You need a tech stack. When one person can do the work of 50, the traditional corporation becomes a liability, not an asset. In the old world, scaling a business was a headache. It meant the hiring trap. You had to find talent, manage egos, pay payroll taxes, and deal with HR nightmares. But in 2026, you don't hire people. You plug in intelligence. This is the birth of the AI staff. Let's break down how one person is now outperforming entire corporate departments by becoming a puppet master of specialized algorithms. First, let's talk about your creative department. High-end brand visuals used to require a $10,000 agency retainer and a 3-week turnaround. Today, Midjourney and Runway Gen 3 are your chief creative officers. We're talking about cinematic-grade visuals and video ads generated in seconds from a single prompt. You aren't just a creator anymore, you are a director of reality. Then there's marketing and copywriting. In the hyper-competitive US market, your copy, the words you use, is the difference between $1 million exit and a total flop. Instead of hiring expensive copywriters, solo founders are using Claude 3.5 Sonnet or Jasper. These aren't just chatbots, they are psychological architects. They analyze thousands of data points to write emails and ads that don't just read well, they convert. It's a marketing team that never sleeps, never burns out, and never asks for a raise. But here is the secret sauce: automation. A business is only as strong as its operations. Tools like Zapier and Make.com act as your digital nervous system. Think about this. A customer hits your site, an AI agent greets them, closes the sale, sends the invoice, and updates your CRM, all while you're hiking in the Rockies. This is infinite leverage. You've decoupled your income from your time. You've moved from being the worker to being the architect. Silicon Valley has a new term for this: the full-stack human. It's the individual who doesn't need to know how to do everything, but knows how to orchestrate everything. If you're still trying to compete with your own two hands, you've already lost. But if you manage the AI staff, you are officially unfireable. Understanding the theory is one thing, building the empire is another. Most people will watch the AI revolution happen from the sidelines, but if you want to be the one holding the keys, you need a specific framework. Here is your 3-step blueprint to becoming a one-person empire. Step 1. Move from specialist to synthesizer. The old world rewarded the specialist, the person who knew how to do one thing perfectly. AI has commoditized that. In the new world, the synthesizer wins. You don't need to learn how to code Python. You need to learn how to direct an AI to build the script for you. Your job is no longer to move the bricks, it's to design the cathedral. Stop asking, "How do I do this?" and start asking, "What tool automates this?" Step 2. Identify your high-leverage niche. In the USA market, general is a death sentence. You need to find a micro-niche where AI gives you an unfair advantage. Whether it's hyper-personalized AI coaching, automated local lead gen, or niche content creation, your goal is to find a problem that was previously too expensive to solve with humans. AI just made the impossible profitable. Step 3. Build the feedback loop. The most successful solo enterprises aren't static, they are self-correcting. Use AI to analyze your data, your customer feedback, and your market trends in real time. If you aren't using Perplexity or Claude to audit your own business strategy every week, you're flying blind. The goal isn't just to work fast, it's to stay right. The gap between the haves and the have-nots is no longer about who has the most money. It's about who has the most leverage. You are currently living through the greatest decoupling of labor and wealth in human history. The 9-to-5 was a 100-year safety net that is finally frayed. You can either stay on the sinking ship of traditional employment, or you can build your own digital life raft. The tools are in your hands. The overhead is zero. The only thing standing between you and a billion-dollar empire is your willingness to let go of the old way of working. If this deep dive gave you a new perspective today, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Nexovian community. We're uncovering the stories that others miss, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. Now, before we go, there's one thing we haven't talked about yet. Most people think this story ends here. But what if I told you that the biggest player in this entire game hasn't even made their move? Next time, we're looking at the hidden document that changes everything we just discussed. You won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.